Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add beautiful gradient colors to your picture in Photoshop using just the gradient tool and a new layer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your image. First, open your image in Photoshop. Just go to File greater than Open, then select the picture you want to work on. Step 2. Create a new layer. Now, let's create a new layer. Go to the Layers panel, click the plus icon or press Shift plus Control plus N, Windows, or Shift plus Command plus N, Mac. This will keep our gradient separate from the original image. Step 3. Select the gradient tool. Next, select the gradient tool from the toolbar on the left, or press G on your keyboard. Step 4. Choose your gradient colors. Go to the top of the screen and click the gradient preview bar. From here, you can choose a preset gradient or click to create your own by picking 2 or more colors. Step 5. Apply the gradient on the new layer. Now click and drag across the new layer to apply your gradient. Try dragging from top to bottom, corner to corner, or side to side, depending on the effect you want. Step 6. Change blend mode and opacity. To make the gradient blend beautifully with your picture, go to the Layers panel and change the blend mode from normal to something like overlay, soft light, or multiply. You can also adjust the opacity for a softer look.